Welcome to Vigilance. This presentation will cover the Vigilance workflow process, which consists of 5 key roles to help your company follow adequate internal controls and keep a healthy bottom line. Over the next few minutes, we will be taking you through the main user roles of the uploader, the submitter, the confirmer, the approver, and the banker. In this video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to upload a batch or bank file to Vigilance. First, you're going to need to download either a payroll or creditor batch file from your accounting software or a bank file from your online bank account. I have some batch files here to show you how to do this, and what you're going to do is drag and drop the file onto any screen in Vigilance like this, and it will take you straight to the start of the review process automatically. Another way of doing this is by clicking on the green Upload button here and manually selecting the file you wish to import. Again, this will also take you to the start of the review process automatically. And that's all there is to it. Once the file is uploaded, the submitter, who's usually the uploader as well, will need to review that all payment details in the batch file are correct. They can alter the payment date and the approve by date using these fields and apply the necessary changes to particular payees as needed using the drop-down menus. Once the review is complete, click the Submit button here. When the file has been submitted for approval, the user set as the approver will want to confirm with another employee who's closer to making daily transactions for the business whether the uploaded batch file transactions are correct in their opinion. This particular employee is set up as the confirmer in Vigilance and will receive an email or SMS alert when a batch file is submitted. Once they access the link to review batch file transactions, the approver will be able to see that they've viewed the page in the summary information under Viewed By. The confirmer then must write a note in the summary stating any concerns or whether all transactions are correct, as you can see here. The approver then takes over in the next part of the review process. The last step in the review process is to approve the pending batch file before exporting to the bank. This is done by the approver, who's set up in the role of management or board, and an approver cannot be the same person as the submitter. They must go to Batches and select the file under the Submitted tab in the batch review process. They must then review the transactions one last time before clicking the Approve button here. This may also be done by using the Vigilance mobile interface. Now that a batch file has been approved, the banker may export the file to the bank to complete the scheduled payments. Often the banker will be the same person who performs the role of submitter. The approver can also take on this role as needed. The banker will receive a notification once the batch file has been approved. Clicking on the link, they will be taken to the relevant file under the Approve tab in the review process and will need to click on the Batch to Bank button here. They will need to click on the Clipboard button here to copy the file link and import the batch file directly from Vigilance. This is the end of the workflow process. Thank you for watching.